아 머리가 개빨. 안녕하세요, 좋은 하루입니다. 저는 지금 델리에 와 있는데 친구 만나러 왔어요. 고아에서 만났던 친구가 있는데 쿠넬이라고 옆에 지금 같이 있습니다. 옆에 지금 걸어서 가고 있고, 지금 제가 있는 곳은 인도 같지가 않아요. 보여드릴까요? 구르가온의 사이버시티라는 곳인데 저는 이런 이미지를 처음 봤습니다. 타기 인도가 이곳이지 않을까요? 네, 원래 카메라 안 꺼내려고 했는데 이거는 잠시 찍어둬야 될 것 같아서 잠시 켰습니다.
Hello, one.
이 친구가 저번에 이제 고아에서 사브나랑 같이 이제 원래 모험을 같이 해야 되는 친구인데 일어나지 못했던 친구입니다. 쿠넬. 여기가 왜 이렇게 발달이 되어 있냐면은 이 주변에 이제 기업들이 많이 모였기 때문에 그만큼 많이 발전한 게 아닌가 싶어요. 역시 델리는 다르네요. No camera. 오케이. 여기서 놀러 왔습니다. 그냥 한잔 마시고 쉬도록 하겠습니다. 지금 이제 제 친구 쿠날의 이제 아버지를 만날 시간입니다. 오늘부터 이제 인도를 떠나는 날까지 이제 쿠날 집에서 같이 지내기로 했거든요. 그래가지고 이제 쿠날 가족들을 만날 것 같습니다. 가족들이 영어를 할 수 있다고 하더라고요. 살짝 기대가 되면서 긴장이 되긴 합니다. 카메라 촬영하는 것도 허락을 받았고, 방문해가지고 지내는 것도 허락을 받았기 때문에 이렇게 또 로컬 친구 집에 대한 영상을 좀 찍을 수 있을 것 같아요. 오케이.
Hi.
Hi. Oh wait.
Yeah, take out.
I have two big bags. Yeah. Nice to meet you. My name is Wan.
Rakesh.
Rakesh. Nice to meet you. Ah, you're so handsome.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
이렇게 지금 쿠날의 아버지를 만났고 이동할 것 같습니다. 잘 안 보이시죠? 저도 안 보입니다. 여기가 쿠넬 집인데, 오 마이 갓. You're a rich guy. Rich son. Okay.
All right, one, come in.
Okay. 아니 집이 너무 좋은데, 집 너무 큰데?
One, my mom.
Hi.
Hi, nice to meet you. My name is Wang.
Hello.
Nice.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. So because Kune is to take care of me better. Yeah, I'm so nice to meet you too.
Same
Yeah,
here.
I'm so thanks to the invite to your house.
Oh,
so nice.
we feel very good that you come here.
Thank you so much. Yeah. Your house is wonderful. Oh my god.
Rich man.
Oh, rich father. 저는 지금 이제 쿠날 집에 도착했고, 집이 너무 좋아가지고 살짝 놀라긴 했네요. 저는 나중에 이제 얘기 좀 하다가 다시 영상을 켜도록 하겠습니다.
So this is my parents' house.
Okay.
My parents' room.
Oh, nice, gorgeous.
This is where we sit down
Yeah,
and just
living room, like
living room.
Yeah. What is that? Is this just for decorate?
Yeah, this is all for decoration. This one is decoration, but this is all real. All this is real.
Oh, real plants.
Yes.
It looks like a rosemary.
This is like a room where we just sit and chill out, and when there are guests,
Oh.
so we just sit down over here and maybe just talk and drink something, eat something.
Yeah, like
Like a living room.
when
Yeah.
you eat food for some like dinners, lunch.
Yeah, perfect. Come, I'll show you outside as well.
Okay.
So this is my room.
Your room.
Yeah, this is where I sleep. This is me when I'm
I will guess. I will guess.
This is me.
That guy is you. Yeah.
Yeah, this is my brother.
Your brother.
My first cousin. This is my real brother.
Oh,
And
he's the
this
real-
is my first cousin, very close. This is my first cousin, my sister, very close.
This one is the
This
little
is
small
this
guy.
is the garden.
Oh.
So this was actually a garden before, but then due to some water problem, we
Yeah,
had
yeah,
to
yeah, yeah.
get this.
Oh.
This is where my mom spends most of her time.
मैं थाली लगाऊंगी ना तो इसमें थाली दिखाऊंगी इसको
This is what she's cooking tonight.
Oh,
And my
nice.
dad
I'll make then I will show you.
made the whole plate.
Okay.
And then-
I will take
This is yogurt.
yogurt.
Yeah. This is क्या बोलेंगे इसको
This is it's dal.
क्या
It's
दाल
Dal curry?
lantern
Yeah,
curry
yeah,
yeah
dal curry, yeah, I know that.
lantern
Lentil beans, right?
yeah wheat roti.
This
Roti.
is chapati.
Oh,
Roti.
Chapati.
Oh,
We made with roti.
homemade roti.
Yeah. This is all homemade.
Lovely. Oh.
Morning we will have aloo paratha.
Yeah, which you like. Oh, really?
Aloo
Aloo
paratha.
paratha. You like aloo?
Yeah, I like aloo paratha, my favorite.
Okay, we'll make that.
Oh, thank you, Master Chef.
Hope you like the house. Good.
Not good. It's super good. Super nice. Is this you?
Yeah, when I was like
No way.
this is my elder brother.
Oh. Yeah. Perfect. Ah, nice. 아마 오늘 또 쿠나를 따라서 하루 종일 다닐 것 같습니다. 저는 조금만 더 자고 카메라 다시 켜도록 하겠습니다. 여기 쿠날의 주위입니다. 밤에 봐서 몰랐는데 Yeah, I make a video about your house. 너무 좋죠? 위에도 연결되는 구간이 있네요. 뭔가. Thank you. Oh, driver 쿠날. We going to the market, right?
Yes.
Yeah, 마켓 갔다가 사원으로 갈 것 같아요. 사원에서 사진 찍는 거를 허가 받아준다고 해서 한번 시도 한번 해볼까 합니다.
So it doesn't messes up your hair.
Ah, okay. For show the respect, right?
Yeah, show respect when we go to a shrine,
Okay.
preferably a Sikh Gurdwara. We cover our head.
Okay.
बोलना allow कर दो.
Yeah, it's done.
Yeah, it's done. It's done.
일단은 혹시나 모르니까 카메라는 잠시 끄겠습니다. 사원은 항상 일단 조심해야 돼서 허락을 받았긴 했는데 아이 살짝 이래도 되나 내가 뭐라고. 여기가 사원이고 허락을 받았습니다. 허락을 받고 찍는 거예요. 여기 중간에 좀 덩치 있으신 분이 왼쪽이 허가 내주신 분. What is that name?
Nishan Sahib.
미샨 사힙. 엄청 높죠? 저기 위에 이제 사원을 상징하는 깃발이 달려 있습니다. 이해할게. 사원 들어오시기 전에는 항상 바닥을 한번 찍고 머리를 한번 찍고 존경의 표시. 오.
So the way they make this,
Go inside and turn around.
just turn around, take the video as if, like you're turning around the book, the Granth, and then you can come out.
Okay. Just a little bit worried about it. Yeah. 한번 더 기도를 합니다. 이렇게 I'm just a little bit worried because they don't want it.
Don't worry. That's the reason I'm here with you.
Okay.
Nobody
Thank
say
you.
anything to you.
Thank you for permission. 아, 이런 식으로 한 바퀴 돌아요. 사원이 진짜 찍기 힘든데 제 푸네 형이죠. 슈샬이 진짜 퍼미션을 줘가지고 처음으로 찍어봅니다. 안쪽을. 그리고 마지막에 이제 돌아서 저쪽에 이제 요런 식으로 받습니다. 요런 식으로 받아가지고 Is this a food?
This is a prasad.
Prashad.
It's for eating.
아, okay.
Guru give it to us as a prasad.
아, okay.
It's just an offering whenever we go to any temple or even if we go to church, right? They give you that bread to eat dipped in wine.
Okay.
It's like a blessing.
Oh.
It is made of wheat.
Weed.
Wheat with ghee.
Weed.
Wheat.
A bead. Oh, sorry.
No,
Oh.
not that wheat.
Good. So this temple is a Sikh temple?
Sikh temple.
Shall we?
Yeah, sure. So they prepare the
Here.
proper dustbin, everything. They clean it. The food is prepared here.
All kind of food prepared there.
It's a volunteer.
Volunteer?
Everybody comes do volunteering,
Okay.
do the cleaning. See, cleaning a temple is like doing seva to your god or guru.
Wow.
If you want to live, you can live in the room also.
Oh.
कोई charges तो नहीं आएंगे ना? Free of cost.
Free cost.
Free cost. You don't have to pay.
Free food.
Free food, free living.
Wow.
This is a service to the mankind.
Can I see the room?
available? Actually, everybody is already staying.
Ah, okay. It's
So
yeah.
so-
It's
he's doing also free
Yeah,
service.
they
just
all
cleaning.
free service.
Nobody's paid anything here.
Toilet,
Washroom also.
Yeah, toilet also.
You can take bath also if you do not have any place to take bath.
Hello. 여기서 밥을 만든다.
सत श्री अकाल जी आलू मटर बन रहे हैं कि बन रहे हैं
냄새 너무 좋다. 너무 좋은데? 방에 에어컨도 있다고 합니다. 이거 근데 심지어 공짜. 너무 좋은데? Okay, it's for sitting
and having food. It's like a big dining place.
dining place. Yeah. It's
A plate. You can take the plate. And you can take the spoon.
in here. Okay.
So you sit here. They'll give you the food.
Okay.
You have food. And then you can go. Or you want to stay upstairs. Stay upstairs.
안녕하세요. 안녕. 아니 한국인인 건 다들 어떻게 하신대? 신기하네.
Just by minimum charges, if somebody want to take the service, that is 100 rupees.
100 rupees
They can take the
외부에서 오는 의사라서 100루피를 내야 되고 이쪽으로 들어가면은 의사를 만날 수 있다고 합니다. 와 너무 좋은데?
We should come here and put the footwear here.
Okay.
Because it is safe.
When the people so many come here.
Because so many that you
Yeah.
put shoes on the floor, na?
Yeah,
It will
yeah,
get mixed.
Yeah, sure.
I may come and wear your shoes and go away.
Okay.
Somebody may take the shoes.
친구랑 같이 친구네 집 근처에 있는 시장은 아닌 것 같고 그냥 번화가로 왔습니다 지금.
This is a local lime soda. Lime soda is like a soda with lemon on it.
Okay.
Just try.
Okay, I will try.
It's very hot.
Yeah, it's summer season. It's so
In
hot.
summer season, the temperature is like 43, 44, 45
Yeah.
degrees. So the best time to actually come to Delhi is in December.
Yeah, December,
Very cold.
November. Yeah.
October, November, December, January, the best time.
Stick inside. So that curry is there.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, thank you. Is this a lemon soda?
Yeah, lemon soda.
뭔가 뿌렸는데? Nice.
This is refreshing.
나이스라고 말했지만 맛은 그 빠니뿌리 국물 먹는 느낌입니다. The Indian people normally drink this one, lemon soda,
Summer.
in summer. Yeah, 이거는 개인적으로 인도를 처음 오시는 분한테 추천 안 드려요. 어느 정도 익숙해져야지 인도의 맛에 그때 이제 어느 정도 먹을 수 있다고 해야 되나? 생각보다 이거는 호불호가 엄청 심할 것 같습니다. 음료수를 마시는데 라면 스프를 마시는 맛이에요. 그것도 시원한.
So this is made out of this what I showed.
사탕수수인데 나이스. 맛있네요. 이거 잘 만든다. 이게 예전에 동남아에서 한번 먹었다가 한번 데워가지고 잘 안 마셨는데 여긴 좀 맛있네요. 일상적인 인도의 모습입니다. 여기 있는 빵 사서 아침으로 빵을 많이 먹더라고요. 빵이랑 짜파티 해가지고 달걀이랑 얹어가지고 먹고 이게 일반적인 인도의 삶입니다. 적응만 하면 정말 좋은 도시, 좋은 나라인 것 같아요. 야, 쿠날은 이제 차 가지고 와가지고 저희 기다리고 있어가지고 이동하도록 하겠습니다.
That was Sikhism. You know the people who wear that turban.
Yeah.
Sikh.
This one is a Shiva's temple, right?
Yeah, no, this is
All gods.
All gods.
All gods.
All Hindu gods.
Oh, nice.
Actually,
no,
what
no,
happens?
Okay. Okay.
We take rest at 12 o'clock and get up again at 3 o'clock, right? The same way we close the doors
That's why
so
it's
that the
possible
god can
to-
rest.
Different god.
Different god. Probably we'll come in evening and show you what exactly is behind the curtains. Mahakali takes her form to destroy the evil. Ganga.
Ganga,
Our
yeah, I know
river
the
is the
Ganga.
purest
Yeah.
for Hinduism.
Ved Mata.
Ved Mata. So this is
A circle like this.
I'll show you. I think they have opened the
Shiva. And
Shiva temple. So that is Shiva. We pour water.
Perfect. Okay.
Cleaning. Because 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 9
9 Surya.
Surya.
Each planet has some other gods, right?
Yeah, so it is affecting your astrology. This is one of the planets. Ram Ram Pandit ji. कैसा है पंडित जी? बढ़िया.
Oil.
So this is oil. So what is there now? So he's cleaning. Oil, we put flour and everything.
and 여기도 마찬가지로 점심이랑 저녁을 무료로 food is for free, right?
Food is free.
공짜로 이제 제공을 한다고 하네요. 여기도.
This is where we keep our food. So we have to run.
It's too hot.
Come.
Jesus, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god.
It's so hot.
와, 탄두리 치킨. 바이바이. 바이바이. Okay. Oh my god, it's my feet.
It's burning.
It almost feel like a tandoori. Alright, alright.
One, come.
I will change my shoes. 제 발꼬락 진짜 죽었어 이거. I will change my battery.